mean, the DigiteRRI project for us is a big project. On the one hand, it's of course a reputation for us that we as a young company are invited to participate in such a big project. On the other hand, I also think we can bring benefit to the project by showing how, you know, as a very young company that has just recently been founded, and how we are interacting still in a traditional industry like the steel industry is. And on the other hand, we very much appreciate the interaction also with the other project members, globally speaking. So I mean, we know the Styrian market, we know how Styria behaves, but of course we also want to look at the other model regions, what is happening there and how we can develop there. That's something which is very, very essential for us. We want to be an international company, and we also think that diversification in terms of looking at different subjects will just broaden your mind and broaden your horizon. That's why we are always keen in incorporating such projects, because it maybe there's not the immediate economic benefit to the company in terms of a contract that you get, but it broadens you as a company and strengthens you as a company. So that's why we're really glad that we are part of the team there.